Hey guys, Truth Talk Tuesday, Pikes Peak, right behind me. Hey, I read the Bible every year, all the way through within a different version. And of course, right now I'm reading actually Nehemiah and Revelations, where I listen to it as I pray. And what's really interesting to me is that Nehemiah rebuilt the wall around Jerusalem in 52 days. Walls that took years and years and years for people to build. He was a wine guy. He did not know what he was doing. He got revelation by Holy Spirit to use family to rebuild the walls. He assigned a family to a section of the wall, and that family would just rebuild that portion. And what I believe, guys, is this Christmas season, God's calling you and I to rebuild our families. He's calling us to lay down our own rights, lay down needing to be right, and just love one another at a deeper level. As you gather this year, I want you to think about Nehemiah, that our church, our country, the world is going to be rebuilt family by family, loving one another and rebuilding the walls. It's a fight. Guys, you're going to have to wear a sword and have a hammer. You're going to have to fight for your families. And guess what? When 2021 hits, it's not a magic wand. Things are not just going to be magically better. You're not going to win the lotto. And if you do, it would probably ruin your life. It's not going to be different. It's still going to be a fight, and it's still going to be beautiful. It's always both and. God bless you. Merry Christmas on this Tuesday.